Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. Edo from Fixing WP is here, and in today's video I will show you how to change images on hover. Now in this tutorial I will use the Elementor page builder. However, you can use any page builder of your choice because the process is very similar regardless of the page builder you are using. Alright, so I created this demo site and would like to add a photo here that will change when hovering over the picture. And it's very common practice. You can see that in e-commerce shops or about us pages where they show their team members, just like this one. When you hover your mouse over the team member, the image will change. And that's exactly the same thing we would like to achieve over here in our demo page. So I created a grid structure with Elementor and we would like to display our dogs. And we'll drag the image widget to here. We'll duplicate it because we need two images. However, this is the wrong structure to do it, and we'll show you why. First of all, let's set the images. One will be the black and white, and the other one will be the colorful one. And once we define the second image to position absolute, which means it doesn't claim its own space, it will go to the top of the parent container. But because the parent container starts from the title h2 dog, it will go to the top of that container. In order to prevent that issue, we will need to position both images in their own container. So let's drag a new container into this structure. We will adjust the padding to 0. And now we will add both images into this container. So I will add both images, and as you can see here, I have the container, and inside the container I only have the images that I would like to swap when hovering. Alright, so let's set the first image, and that's the image that will be hidden most of the time unless hovering. Okay, and the photo that will be displayed, it's the bottom photo, and that photo will always be displayed because it will cover the image with the colors. So now when I will set the black and white photo to absolute, it will take no space, which means it will go to the top of the parent container, which means it will cover the colorful image. Alright, so now we finish with the structure, and we'll need to enable some CSS with classes. So let's go back to the hidden image. Now you can't access it from here obviously, so we will need to use our structure panel. And we'll click on the first image, the hidden one, the colorful one, as you can see, and we'll go to the advanced tab, and here we'll give it a class. Now we'll give it a class that it will be easy to understand, something like show on hover. Okay, it's simple as that. It does what it sounds. Now we'll go to the parent structure that holds these both images, and we'll go into the advanced tab, and we'll scroll down to the custom CSS, and we'll paste this CSS over here. Both these CSS rules change the opacity of the images to 0, but also it will change the opacity of the show on image class to 1. So the top photo will be hidden and the back photo will be displayed. And that's great. You can see what it looks like, and you're pretty much done. However, you can prettify it, make it just a little bit better by smoothing the transition with another simple CSS rule. I will leave it all for you in the description box down below, so you'll have all the CSS. You can just copy paste it. And as you can see, the transition is a little bit slower and it's more pleasing to the eye. Once done, click on publish and visit your live website to make sure it's working as expected and it looks really good. Alright guys, so that was our tutorial for today. Hopefully you learned something valuable that you can use with your own website. Please let me know if you have any questions. You can leave a comment or reach us directly to fixingwp.com. Please also like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye.